Magnets are the invisible hands of physics. They can push and pull objects without ever touching them, a force that's at the heart of our modern technology, from the speakers in your headphones to the motors in a power plant. But what makes a simple piece of metal magnetic? The secret lies deep inside the atom. In ferromagnetic materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt, tiny groups of atoms called domains can all line up. Imagine a massive marching band. If everyone walks in a random direction, it's just chaos. But if they all march north in perfect unison, you have a powerful, unified force. When all the domains in a metal point the same way, it becomes a magnet, with a north and south pole and an invisible magnetic field flowing between them. This is why opposite poles attract and like poles push each other away. Even our planet is a magnet, its molten iron core creating a field that shields us from solar radiation. The real revolution, however, came in 1820, when a scientist discovered that electricity flowing through a wire creates its own magnetic field. By coiling that wire around an iron nail, you create an electromagnet. The magic here is control. Unlike a permanent magnet, you can turn it on and off with the flip of a switch and make it stronger with more electricity. This simple principle has world-changing applications. It's how giant cranes and scrapyards lift entire cars, and it's how magnetic levitation trains achieve incredible speeds. They use powerful electromagnets to levitate the entire train above the track, eliminating friction completely. Floating on a cushion of pure magnetic force, these trains are pushed forward, reaching speeds of over 600 kilometers per hour. From the simple compass needle to a floating high-speed train, it's all powered by the same fundamental dance between electricity and magnetism.